So believe it or not, I did this wig install in like 15 minutes, which is one of the quickest installs I've ever done. And that is because ISEE Hair just released this all new Wear and Go MCap wig. So shout out to ISEE Hair for sending me the wig, the package, and for sponsoring this video. So the wig itself is 18 inches with the 9x6 parting space and the texture kinky curly. So let's get into some of the details of the MCap. This is the 9x6 pre-bleached parting space that you have. It also has a removable comb in the nape of the head, and it also has 2 removable combs at the ears of the cap. It is also pre-cut so that it lays completely fit and snug to your head. Now this is what the actual wig looks like. It has the adjustable strap so you can adjust it to fit your head size, and you can adjust it to fit as tightly or as loose as you need. And when they say wear and go, they literally mean wear and go, okay? The knots was pre-bleached, the lace was pre-cut, and the hairline was pre-plucked. So all I had to do was put that to the test. So if you know me, then you know I prefer a slick back for my wig installs because I feel like it gives me the flattest foundation. So first things first, I wanted to put the wig on without any prep work whatsoever so that I could really test how ready to wear and go this wig is. Now, while the wig looks great straight out of the package, you are gonna have to do some work to blend the lace with your skin tone. And that is really to be expected because we all know that lace is not a one tone fits all. So I got to work by putting my lace cap on, and I began using my lace spray to begin the matching process. Now, me personally, I prefer less spray because I found the perfect one to match my skin tone, and it's just better and quicker than makeup in general. Now, once you find the perfect lace spray that matches your skin tone, trust me, you will never go back to makeup, okay? Just look at the difference and how it looks, and the blend is like seamless. And so as you can see in the video, the lace on this wig is so thin that you could see my wig cap underneath. Like you can clearly see the line of demarcation. So I just went ahead and took the wig cap off and I placed it directly on top of my hair. And as you can see, it made a big difference. It looks so natural. It looks like it's just growing right out of my scalp. So you do not even need a wig cap when you are using this wig. So one of the coolest features about this cap is that it is designed to lay around the shape of your ears naturally, meaning you don't have to do any lace cutting around your ears at all. And we all know that that is one of the most tedious parts of the lace install. Now, I would have to say this is one of my favorite features of the MCap because I love my baby hairs and they lay kind of low. So if I can pull my real baby hairs out with a wig install and the lace still looks seamless and everything looks natural, then that is what I'm gonna do. And I just felt like if I can have even the tiniest bit of my real hair, my real hairline out, it just makes the install look that much more natural and that much more seamless. So for me, it's always nice to just at least have the option. So really the only thing left to do was to do a little styling to the hair because we all know, yes, this is supposed to be ready to wear and go, but those curls right out of the package always look way too uniform. So I was attempting to brush out the curls so I could do some styling, but with this being a glueless wig, it was slipping and sliding all over the place. Now the texture of those curls brushed out was absolutely gorgeous, and the lace was laying and it was just giving natural Diana Ross, Dirty Diana. It was beautiful, but I still opted to go ahead and define the curls. But before I did that, I needed to tie down the lace so that the wig would stop doing the electric slide on my forehead while I was trying to style it. So I like to keep this process very simple with just a few steps. And the first step is water. You want to get the hair evenly coated with water. You don't want to drench it, but you want to make sure that it's pretty wet. Then you are going to go through with the brush again. Next step is to add some curl defining mousse. Not a whole lot because you don't want it to get crunchy, but you want to evenly coat it. And then you want to go back in with the brush and really define those curls. And the very last step is to take a towel and squeeze out the excess product and the excess water. And this just helps the hair dry quicker. Now, if you skip any of these steps at all, do not skip on the curl defining mousse. That is the game-changing product when we're talking about curl definition, okay? Because that is going to ensure that once everything dries, that your curls stay defined, they're lightweight, they're beautiful, and they're fluffy. You're using products like gel and conditioner, although they can define your curls, a lot of times they will end up making your curls hard. So just keep that in mind. Now you cannot sit here and tell me that that was not one of the most simplest and quickest wig installs you have ever seen. So shout out to ISEE because they did that. I will put all the information about this wig down below. That is it. That is all. Y'all get into the finished look. This was probably one of the easiest glueless wig installs I've ever done. I mean, they literally took all of the labor, all of the work out of the install process. Here's to keeping our installs simple all 2024. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time.